अखोई मसेन नातनिना यामना एक्जाजरेट हेना चाउ थोनिंगदबगे अखोई खितंग फारग येंगगा लेबनी अदुमाइना मीगी युम्बु हेक्ता बुलडोजर ग तकना आइन लो लेथबदंग तोबदो अखोई गवर्नमेंट तुमिन येंगगा लेरोय चप चाब एक्शन लौगनी एफआईआर दि ऑलरेडी अखोई लौखरे चप चाना मतिक चाबेगा तमना तमना येंग्स एंटी नेशनल की टाइप मोसे एंटी एस्टैब्लिशमेंट venom kambala pune sai ba mais de gi hejin bala pune aduna adike amana photo do viramani hoi twitter do di photo do la le sum thue migi forest office do community migi for mai tharen moina lege de come down adu se the proof in bibige with evidence with photograph video pung kaya dagi karai de action je hoge karai de tension je hui kananan mai tha ko haro kono kanana kari phu bono driver karai de phugi adagi yum kanagi kanana mai tha gi karai de kari doge just we have got madam de akoi state intelligence central intelligence akoi ku sulai jari loina with video le koi da adugumba proof adugumba evidence so yawgna moina kushi bang to to busi akoi numaite aduga akoi community amabu victim of the community singu aran batahan na bahuna basu ayaning de hoy anima victim nei but hena sok ta bole ado anima ko achumaran ye me kana ko na balance hoina phadna treat to godabni community ni ko samana ba thapi ye kana ko na moi do console to bi godabni help to bi godabni adu natana acha ko mai da gi hejil laga to busim koi yam numaite aduna shigi pochima ai strongest amda ngasi media gi sina usku tang gai thambani aduga matung dasu delhi dagi ni haidana human right commission gi ne hai lai delhi dasu human right violation ham tauri rape to ngarang mata da rajasthan da naked nupi do sorok ta pui adu is a pregnant woman why editor Gill is talking about it what is happening in Rajasthan what was happening in Bengal 48 hours the 48 people were killed in the panchayat election in Bengal women were naked and paraded on the road nobody say anything I think why akoi media national media also shidai the nupi ani khak laibak thira bi thobok to the mob is mob thousands the lakh ki mob madu da gi nupi macha ani du kannana ba honu pa puthorpa kanda video ka paga kalli ba mising budi you never appreciate hojiki hair ba nupi macha ani nongpok akoi gi semai gi du dai da nupi macha nupi ani laibak thiba thobok thoki boda we condemn it strongly but adubu kalliba maitei community singdudi ima singdudi phanek sesal laga kano phi sesal bege engine birga mayum yonu thabi griba dugi humanity service to budi nobody recognize why did not the Congress party rise in the parliament adu makan gi nupi ju yauri na kari gi haigi daba net tawraga pubi gi haigi gi nok the parliament boycott obangamba honorable prime minister bu no confidence motion thangat ngamba adugumba ikoi gi maitei janura mayam ama thokana ima ibel mayam thokana na mayam thokada nupi masa ani kuki gi nupi ani dubu kanbiraga uthoga phi session birga mayum yong ba chin gi ba dugi di appreciation tawsi na kari gi parliament da haigi triba one sided manipur gi hujik lei bi politics so we are politics so we gonna manipur kanana bi dum ta koi mayam manipur ki praja mayam ngasi thengnari ba ai khoi mayam ngasi thengnari je manipur kanana bi ai khoi unitely yes government go ba civil society sin nauksing my girl sing government go ba reception kitang lai aina khangasu loina haiba yada ba aina urasu loina haiba tamba yada ba aina tawuragu su loina khangthok haiba yada ba matam lay matam sana mayamda aikoi thabang ulakani aduna aikoina ngangda ba aikoina haida ba silana lobigano sarkar ama pairu bagi sarkar ama da Chief Minister ama oirubugi mantri ama oirubugi athom arun athuk ngakpa haidana koi wasakpani aduna ada Honorable Prime Minister na koi da wa ma hairagasu Honorable Union Minister Home Minister na wa ma hairagasu mayam da loina hek tamba yadaba mayam manga he puthoga khanaba yadaba aduguma mayam amasu lei aduna imai bel sing adu marupa mayam punamak civil society mayam punamak puning khada biyo laibak kan bahai bse ekhoi gi amatang ai ba pandam ni sarkar si miyam gi ni miyam gi sarkar ni miyam gi miuni ekhoi adu miyam na pamba gi against ma chet am gi ekhoi chatlaroi da ba adu gumba nasa sing ni nanau sing ni adu ekhoi go thajab yu hai ba pham sima ai thamjage ani subada ngarang ngasishu Tamil sing sahi Mahoron dagi almost hek indigenous mang natra kusu koi na sahi sa kaya dagi lai rai ba Tamil sinau sing more da paisa khaiba sing si pibu ngamdragadi more dagi Tamil chalo hai hai nam media da mu yawi aduga ngarang su kuki inpi gi spokesperson ni hai 𝐁𝐈𝐑𝐄𝐍 𝐅𝐋𝐀𝐾𝐒 hai ma Tenopal district ni hai mana solution lakri ba wa mai dei jang loi kai na more da hai ba statement mai theme maji awudi ma Manipur ki history khangamoi Manipur ki history khangbana di aduga Manipur ki asengba leibak singak pudi yorpa oiraga di ma adu ngangoi khangamoi mori dugi wangada cheliba Chinwin river du adu dani pai pu singna Gambir Singh Maharaj na Narsingh Maharaj na awaz sing gi sai tare khundakpa tantho buda thang sa me hari dugi turen dugi adu mori dugi amamang na cheliba Chinwin river du madu pa hakulal khai di boji ki kugi bigi mission khangjen kana gani aduga suk yamna sensitive oira matang sida Maitei Sangba Yani Yaroi and Tamil Sakidamni Chaloi Gaina, Tauri Budu would stop it. State government, I quite kitang community Maselgi Marakta, I quite Maselgi Marakta, Tokuniko, Harga quick restaurant or regular music. I quite Maselgi Marakta, Yamna, exaggerate owning the bar, so tokening the bar, Cookie Pota, Namming the Sungangana, hiding the Suhaigana, towning the Sutogana quite. Khanga the misai targa I quite the Saidi me am Josie Utarangani, though Masi Targa Khang said Makasana Irang just of Tukjanaba Makatana Michimina Tuktanaba Maduki Khanga like Koi Labani, other Maraksida Yamanoi Lakuntra Matwini Toy labor Manipurni say Lishing and Nigi Puari labor. Ada ida noi lising ani unga kunja laga changa ko ya de ga ina lep ka da bu noi na lep ka da bu ti state government ma yam chong na lady madu makhata na adu ma language adu ma thawang tor kanu adu ga madu ngarang gi thabak du koi athuba madu gi nipa do amni ma ga mari le ga bising du phana na ba koi affair ama lokale the affair number 1215 within bracket 9 2023 MRIs SPS under section 153A/153B/188 IPC hai basiki makhada basiki kukin pigi spokesperson ni hai dugi mathakta aikoi FIR mas local mitok khandokpa illegal immigration khandokpa aikoi lepte bujiksu mayam no birang gani aikoi biometric loba more da sandel da lepte central government dagi sigi September tha bagi manung do loisalo har kone do koi another 1 years kamatam bigo koi khun mayam ma thi gada wali khun mayam ma thi gada wali aduna another 1 years kamatam bigo ina koi madugi city iboloire state central government di Mizoram amani Manipur da illegal immigrants khantok gi thabuksi September tha jigo gi manung do loyo ne koi da instruction pirakibani media gi manung pang so mani aduna koi another 1 year sama koi madu extension government dagi lawgadori aduga mayamna pamiba pot akoi takhatna tawgani aduga area kharada birengi government changa ko ngamoroi aduga state government changa ko ngamoroi na popi am thaganari have information phangdabanate aduga hari birengi government is central government ni central government ga nangar galai poni biren amadi bharat khoi manipur le riba BJP ki sarkar aina lusing jabagi wani khoi mayam amana paimina bani community punamukna paimina bani center le riba Narendra Modi ji ki Nisa Mukta Bharat Manipur da war on drugs habini Bharat apumbagi Nisa Mukta Bharat movement ni war on drugs ni madid kanam tan thingmanga moi madugi mayam da bipainable ibiganu ekoi matam gi head information phungbaga army assam rifle commandos paramilitary forces state police senior kanda koi poppy thaba thingba makha sathagani drug ki mayap da sathaba campaign koi makha sathagani sathari no wapang krasi ai mayam da thamjage haidana mayam kokjebani recently we have seen one report published by the Editor Guilds of India with some points. That is the reason why we are having press conference today. And the points which was raised and the comments by the Editor Guilds of India is highly condemnable, and we condemn it in the strongest term because the Honorable Supreme Court has constituted many commissions, including led by the retired Chief Justice and many judges. And above that, the Government of India also constituted a commission of inquiry headed by the one retired Chief Justice. Investigation is on in different way, in different places. But in the meantime, how the Editor Guilds conclude as a fact-finding team, who constituted them? Who constituted them? They never authorized to have the fact-finding teams and to investigate the Manipur issues. It is a sad style and nothing to do with this present crisis in the state of Manipur. And I also giving warning to the Editor Guilds member. If you want to do something, please come to the spot. Please do visit here, see the ground reality, meet the representatives of the all communities, all victims, then you publish whatever you found. Otherwise, meeting some peoples, some section of the peoples, and coming to the conclusion that this or this, that is highly condemnable. That's why the state government has filed an FIR against the members of the Editor Guilds who are trying to create more, classes in the state of Manipur. Now that is the prerogative of the state government. Nobody can ask question to the, because as per rules, as per norm we are appointing, just we need to keep our police personnel fit. So he will give more trainings, physical fitness to our police personnel here in the Pangai. More than 200, 300 state forces are already in the More. More forces is sending. There is no bar. The state forces can go everywhere inside the state. Nobody can stop it.
But there are also several organizations from the Bookie have threatening even you yourself. How will you take it off?
No, I already predicted before the May 3, I predicted in my one public meeting, public function, this kind of threat will come, I know. Because the government is challenging with the groups, the mafia groups of drugs gangs from the Golden Triangle area. So it is not easy, but we will not succumb under their pressure.
Unprovoking this thing, arms, want to say, attack has been going on in the various parts of the regions of the state non-stop till now.
No, you see, somebody is trying to break up the state, but our state force is enough to retaliate. We are retaliating. State government force is retaliating against those miscreants. We are taking action. We are not sitting idle. State government with paramilitary forces, army, some rifles, commandos, we are retaliating to the miscreant. We are hunting them down. Yesterday also 2-3 bunkers have been destroyed in the Tolbung. Today also operation is on in the Nalansena area. Operation will be on and we will hunt them down. Thank you.
What will be the aim of the government regarding the problem faced by Tamils in Moreh?
Tamils? Oh, I already mentioned. No one will move out from the Moreh. Full security will be provided to stay there. This Manipur, Moreh is a part of India. Manipur is a part of India. We have to live together. No one can dictate to anybody. Karam bhai no. No. Action. Yung hujit kitang ay ngasay siya kibodo. Kitang ako'y masin natin ina. Yam na exaggerate. Hena chaw thoning tabo kaya kitang par ka yenga ka laibani. Adumay na migi yumbu yakta bulldozer nga takna ain law like tabo nga tabo do ikoi government tumi nigi yenga ka laibani. Chap sabe action law gani FIR di already ikoi law kare. Chap sana matik sabe na tam na yengs. Tam na ikoi government chap san tawag pani. Thank you.